In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easy and fast using the T84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so guys, this question is under difference of two square. It's very simple. Mainly looking at the question, I already know that the correct option will be option H. Alright, x plus 3. It says simplify x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. Okay, but let's do it with a calculator. Let me show you guys how you can do this with a calculator as well. All right, those of you that might not really understand how to do it manually, so let's do it with the calculator. Now the very first thing we have to do is to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. All right, so to reset, just press second button, press plus button, then go for option 7, press 1 and press 2, and it will do this for you. Alright, so it's done. Press this clear button. Now we need to store x as a value. Let's store x as 2, which is the value I always recommend. So to store x as 2, put the value first 2, press the store button. We want to store it as x, this is the x button, then press enter and x will get stored as 2. Alright, so we're good to go. Let's use this stored value now to simplify this expression we have here. So it's in fraction. You press alpha, this window button, it's in fraction, press 1. So we have x squared, okay, minus 9 over x minus 3. So that's all. Press enter now. The output is what? 5. So right now, let's check the option that give us 5. Basically, it will be option H because S is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. Alright, but let's still check. We have x plus 3, that's 5. So guys, this is basically how you can solve this kind of problem using a TH4 plus scientific calculator. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you're new to my channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel for more of my videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'm sure to give you a response. Don't forget to reset the calculator once you're done. Just press the come button, this plus button, go for option 7, press 1 and press 2, and you'll be good to go. Alright, now click on the screen above and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.